Super interesting project got today. Just a fun project. Gonna put like a swing, like a monkey bar, not a monkey bar, but a bar across. So we can swing on it, put some hammock on it, and finishing it up and gonna patch it everything as if nothing has ever happened. Just put the reinforcement in the back. Next thing is running some drywall tape. I'm using a mesh tape here, the paper, and making it all level, put a couple more coats, get it all evened out, painted, and then we'll mount the big hole. A nice second coat of patching so you don't see the tape, and do it over and over again and get it all perfect. It's sanded and ready to be painted. Now we can put the mounting brackets on. And these are the mounting brackets I'm using. These are from Lowe's, 1 1/4 inch pipe. That is pretty much the Olympic size uneven bar dimension, so it'll be perfect for hanging or putting a hammock or whatever it's strong. Alright, as you can see, the drywall, 1 2x4, a gap in there, and then the second 2x4 I have to drill through that and keep going. So from there we are talking about like 5 inches or something. A moment of truth. Sample bit. Alright, goes in. The only challenge is it needs to be a little loose so that when the angle I make from here to there, it has to come from there to the side and then come in here and then into there. So it needs to be a little loose on this side and super tight on the other side. So once it's in, once the clamps are in, this will be good. Yeah, let's just, it'll be like this. We'll pop in the clamp here, and then we can tighten it using these bolts 100%. Perfect. All right, so this side up to here is what we're aiming for. And I can jam it in right there. Perfect. So both sides equally done. And this can now, nice. Pipe is strong with a couple of fittings in there. Beautiful. Alright, so finally we're ready to install these lag bolts. They go up to like that deep, catching 2 studs. Alright, everything is sanded and filled. All we have to do now is, so let's just do that. That is the goal. After painting, you can't tell the difference with all that work we did to put some reinforcement inside for this particular bracket. So painting is done. Now we have this nice hook there for putting any swing or punching bag or anything like that. Both sides are looking good. Can hold over 300-400 pounds at this point. Let's test it. Finally, everything is done. As you can see, now I have a kid's trapeze with the rings on them, so kids can enjoy it. It's got a beautiful swing. You know, it just swings back and forth without making any noise. Such a pleasure for kids to play on it. Just have to put something comfortable underneath if they fall. And also for adults, you can just jump right up and do the push bar and pull-ups and all that. On the other hand, also can put other things like a hammock chair for reading, as well as a punching bag for boxing. You know, so many uses for this utility. Worst case, you can dry your clothes on it. So that's it, guys. Wonderful, nifty project, multi-use, and these things can slide, by the way. You can just push them one side to the other, so the other side can accommodate something as well. So hope you like this project, and if you do a subscribe and also hit a like on this video. I'll see you in the next video and give you a lot of these DIY projects, ideas, and stuff like that. So stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video.